Big jaws, but the stress is too much. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
So hello channel, welcome back to The Great Escape. As always, I'm Ricky, beautiful wife Brenda, saying hello.
Hello.
And we just got out of the gym after being absent for about 2 weeks. So yeah, it feels good after you do it. You don't want to do it before doing it.
You want to do before doing it.
How are you feeling?
Good. It was good.
It was good. We got lucky, I guess, because our old trainer, Adela, was the one who we got today, which normally we don't. She is a little more lenient than the guys. The guys are too tough, even for me. But yeah, it was a good comeback. Mama, coming up por ahí. So it was a good comeback. You know, our sessions are 1 hour. This one, the routine was 5 sets of 3, and each exercise had whatever amount, 12, 10, 8. So yeah, that we normally, I would say of that, it's maybe 30 minutes straight of that, because the first 10 minutes or so, we're warming up, and then we do the exercise, and then we do cardio, which cardio today was only about a minute, I think. But yeah, the whole, and then we spent too much time talking. There's probably like another 15 minutes of people talking. But yeah, anyways, it was good, feels good. In a little bit, we have to go to our travel agent to kind of finalize the details on our next trip, which is coming up very soon. And as always, we're gonna be doing tours. One thing we love about our travel agent is that he always makes sure that we get a free tour. I love free. And those free tours, you'll be surprised. Right? They're good. Yeah.
They're good. He likes to put them like our first date to do, just so that we can get familiarized with the area. They give you tips of restaurants to eat. And it's good. It's worth it to do, just because they'll give you like local areas to go visit that you wouldn't really know unless you talk to a local. So that's why we like doing it. And that's where we've gotten all the really good restaurants and gelatos and stuff like that, is from a free tour guide. So it's well worth it to do. I'm still out of breath.
And you know, it's free, yes, but it will be nice to tip on.
You do tip, yeah.
You know.
So it's free, and then you can just give them whatever you think.
Yeah. Most people do tip. I mean, if we have cash, we always do it. It's just that I think there was only one time that we didn't have cash, and I felt bad, because they do a good job, and you know, that's how they make their living, right? I mean, they do get paid, I'm sure, from the company, but you know, it's nice to tip. You know, we've never taken all the way the street up. So I'm gonna flip the camera around just to show you guys. So we came from all the way down there. That's where our gym is. We've never taken this particular street. And if we have taken this street, I don't remember. Maybe we did. There's this big wall here. It looks like they're fixing it, maybe, because it has a net. I think we went through here once a long time ago. I say a long time ago, but correction, so many months ago. So we've only been here for 8 months. But yeah, it looks like this. No agenda, guys. Just walking around, inviting you to hang out with us. as always. And we'll see what surprises Granada has for us today. Just told you guys about this wall, and I told you about the street that I thought we've been through here before. Well, yeah, we've been here many times, but it's how Granada is. You take a street and then you keep walking, like, oh, that's what this is. So we've been here so many times. You guys seen it. This is it's like a property. I can't remember exactly, but you pay a small admission to go in there. We went in there once, not too long ago. We did a video right under that tree, which is the hospital video that we did. It was right here. So that was, and we just came up from this street. So that's to tell you, or to show you how, I mean, it's when you don't know, right? Because we're not local, we weren't raised here, otherwise we would know all this. But again, it doesn't cease to surprise every time we discover something new. Anyways, I just wanted to share that. All right, so we had our coffee at the Café Football. Super strong. If you ever come here for coffee, you want to ask for, if you want a strong one,
Solo doble. Doble solo. Solo doble, I think is how you say it.
Solo doble. Don't ask for Americano, because Americano is watery.
That was super strong.
And then, from there, yeah.
I don't know where we're going.
I mean, it's almost time to go. But,
To go where?
well, they open at 4, I think, right?
I don't know what time they open.
Well, it's 3 something. Anyway, that's how I like it. Solo doble. It's black, super strong.
You could ask for the milk, a little bit of milk. He gave me a
side of-
milk, a side of milk.
A side of cream, whatever milk you like. You get the
Milk.
desnatada, which is almost like half and half, I think. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. This is the way I like days to be. If I was in charge of the weather, because it's like maybe it's like 60 or something.
I'm praying that this is how it's gonna be where we're going. We'll have this type of weather. It'll be nice.
The sun is out. The sky is blue. No.
You do need to be by the sun to not feel cold, though.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of buildings in this area, so you don't. The sun doesn't.
A little warmer
shine.
would be better.
She gets cold easily. I do, but not so much. Anyway, so we're gonna continue walking. I'm gonna flip the camera around.
Tito, do not like it.
Okay, all right, so we're still walking and talking, because this one here, a couple hours cannot go by without her asking what's for dinner, what's for lunch. So we were just talking about what's gonna be for lunch. Is it for lunch or for dinner? The tacos.
I don't know.
Anyways, we are doing tacos for either one, either lunch or dinner. More likely dinner. And I'm gonna make a video for that, so if you guys wanna see how I make the tacos, that's gonna be a video just for that. So I'm gonna make it a point to do a little episode of that. Those tacos are really good. So yeah, just wanted to share that. So you're gonna, the video after this one, it's gonna be about how to make a taco Ricky and Brenda Great Escape style. And it's gonna be pretty close to authentic Mexican, right? I mean, pretty much. I mean, that's how we've been to Mexico a few times, and that's how they do it. None of that crunchy stuff, or so we're gonna do it pretty authentic, so you guys can enjoy that. All right. So you're welcome in advance. It's such a beautiful day here in Granada. I'm enjoying this little walk with my honey bunny. We're walking against a stream of water. It feels like we are moving, which we are, but it just feels a little weird because the water stream's coming down.
Nosotros no hemos cogido esas calles de por ahí.
No. I couldn't tell you what this area here is called, but this town does have a different name. Bueno, que tú lo viste ahí, what was it again? You don't remember, right?
Escolapios.
Oh, Escolapios. There's actually a name that's similar to that. It's called Esculapio. That's an actual name, but this one is Escolapios.